today I have this Peterbilt 579. Yeah, this is a 579. The heater is not working. The inside heater, the cap heater is not working, and today I'm going to show you what to do. The Peterbilt 579 comes with this check valve over here. This is a check valve, then it's going to be a bypass. In case the pressure builds higher than expected, this check valve is going to send the coolant in this direction right here back to the intake of the water pump, so that way it doesn't break hoses or anything. And you replace that, and still the heater doesn't work. You put it in maximum and it is just cold, doesn't do anything. So the issue on this one is this. The issue is then the heater core in there is completely stuck, clogged with different material. See all that? Let me put the light on so that way you can see it. This one got full of water. My hands are with water, so okay, let's get it now. All right, there. So there you can see how much stuff is there. That is completely clogged, and that is the reason why this heater doesn't work. The other side, which is the outside, see, it's completely clean. The one thing, this is the outlet and this is the inlet. See the difference? That is the reason why the heater doesn't work. So in order to fix that problem, what you have to do is replace the heater core. You can replace the heater core or use a blower. Use a blower to blow some air right there. That way we can get all the material completely out of the heater core, but it will take a while. That doesn't mean then we'll get it all out, but it will take the maximum amount of material out, so that way the heater core works. And I'm pretty sure this problem is going to affect the rear heater core, because the rear heater core is going to have similar type of let's see where is that. It's right here. Well, that one doesn't have anything, it's just the hoses. So it is going to be all right. So on the front one is the one that has the bypass then. So because of the bypass is the reason why the heater doesn't work. But what you can do also is remove the bypass over here and put a regular fitting, then connects to the hoses. But you know, the bypass is there for a reason. So the right repair will be to replace it, but a good repair and cheap repair will be to clean it with a blower, and that's what I want to do to save some money right now, and it is going to work. If the heater core is leaking for some reason, then we have to replace it, but it is just covered with different material. Well, I mean, we're just going to get it out. So that is all we are going to show you today about this Peterbilt 579. So if you get the problem on your 579 order, it's going to be similar for the KW 680. So you do this, you remove that and blow some air. So like the video, share it, subscribe, help me out, look for me on Instagram, ask me questions and anything, and you can see some content there on Instagram too. See you later.